Hello and welcome to another session of Navigating Lightship. Nicole here, Product Manager at Lightship Works, and in this video I will guide you through using Maps and Collect. Maps and Layers in Collect help you to see your current work zone and its related data quickly and easily. Maps can be changed to show different views, and layers can be added or removed to show or hide relevant data. To access the Maps view, click the map icon in the bottom center of the app. Click the arrow icon in the top right corner to zoom in on your current location. You can zoom in by taking your thumb and forefinger and spreading them on the screen, and zoom out by pinching them together. There are three different views you can change: the base map, the Lightship map, and the map layers within the Lightship map. The base map is the general background map you see within Lightship. It is fed from an external source like Google, Bing, or satellites. To change the base map, click the layered squares icon in the top right corner of the app and choose a map from the drop-down at the bottom of this screen. Notice that the map view will change. The Lightship map contains data specific to your worksite. This data is loaded into Lightship and may include land plots, parks and recreation, water and sewer lines, or other data you'd like to see. To change the Lightship map, click the map icon in the top right corner of the app. A prompt will show up with various maps. I will choose the Municipal Parks and Recreation map and zoom out to see the data points on the map. As you can see, there are now shaded areas on the map indicating parks and purple point markers indicating recreation and entertainment locations. Parks and recreation facilities are different map layers in the Municipal Parks and Recreation Lightship map. To hide and show these different map layers, click the layered squares icon in the top right corner of the app. I will hide the recreation and entertainment points by clicking on it. Shown layers will have a green circle, and hidden layers will have a gray circle. Now the map only shows parks. Change your Lightship maps, map layers, and base layers as necessary. Thank you for joining another session of Navigating Lightship, where we went over Maps and Collect. For more helpful information, or to learn more about Lightship, please visit our website at www.lightshipworks.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Vimeo, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for news and updates. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.